The Split the Pot Lottery is really a unique initiative that helps hospitals across the province raise money for healthcare needs, including medical equipment and patient care services.
One of those hospitals that benefits from this is St. Joseph's Healthcare in Hamilton. And that's where we find Nicole Servinas this morning, live from the Charlton campus, to tell us about this great initiative and how St. Joseph's puts the funds raised to very good use. Nicole, great to see you.
Great to see you as well, and great to be here, honestly, to see the changes that are implemented and the difference really that these funds make from Split the Pot Lottery. You can get your tickets at splitthepot.ca. The deadline is December 31st, and every Wednesday we are announcing winners, but the grand prize is December 31st, so you definitely want to get your tickets before then. You can win up to a guaranteed $500,000. So you really are giving back, but also have the opportunity to win incredible prizes. But again, like we said, we're just outside an emergency right now, and I have the chief of emergency, Dr. Andrew Healy, with me this morning. Dr. Andrew, tell me about the difference that these funds make, especially being in emergency.
Well, we see over 200 patients, often over 200 patients a day, and each of those patients need their vital signs done on a vital signs monitor. The sickest patients need our monitors and stretchers, and those things are really essential to the care that they provide, and the funds from this lottery allow us to continue to renew those things. You can imagine with 200 people coming through the emergency department, we have to replenish these things. They get worn and torn over time, and so hard on our equipment, but really they're there for the patients.
Absolutely, and it's incredible to see the difference, honestly, firsthand, because I was here probably about a year ago, and I know that the triage area was under construction. So to see it done right now, how has this impacted not only you as a doctor in chief, but also patients?
You know, the new triage space and the new waiting room space allows us to see people efficiently and safely. It gives the security guards an opportunity to make people feel safe and be present for us. The direct line of sight to the waiting room is fantastic, and the new triage bays allow people to have a private conversation with the nurse, which is their first encounter with the health system. For patients, that means something really important. They get to be able to share their story in private, away from other people, and we get to hear that story with respect and reverence. So.
And you know what, as someone that has been here for a number of years, how have you seen this kind of growth and need for this sort of assistance? Because really, I know everyone says, we're very blessed to be Canadian and have Canadian healthcare, but these funds really make a huge difference.
I mean, the complexity of our patients continues to increase. People's health needs continue to increase, and the health system continues to feel that pressure. The resources like this allow us to respond to people, at their hardest times with kindness and decency and excellent care. And this equipment really does allow us to ensure that people feel comfortable when they're here. They get their vital signs done, which is a really important part of how we assess the sickest of the sick, and we can reassure people who may not be that sick.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Healy. We really appreciate everything that you're doing. And again, we really encourage you to get your tickets at splitthepot.ca. It also makes for a great gift. This is the perfect time of year to gift someone with this opportunity, not only to win big, but also make a difference in their community. You can choose to allocate your funds to one particular hospital, possibly like St. Joseph's Healthcare, or to all of 83 hospitals that benefit from Split the Pot Lottery. There are different tiers of tickets that you can also win. Right now, you can get 800 tickets for only $100. So get that, only $100. You can get $50 for 150 tickets, $20 for 25 tickets, and $10 for 5 tickets. So lots of opportunities for you to purchase, for you to support. Head on over to splitthepot.ca to buy your tickets. Again, the deadline is December 31st, and the grand prize will be announced shortly after that. Good luck, everyone. We'll be here all morning long so you can see how these funds truly make a massive difference. Splitthepot.ca to buy your tickets, and more CP24 Breakfast when we come back right after the break.